I think one of the most disappointing things that we have done is decide that we can't make every day special. And so our casual outfits look casual. And I'm not saying that you can't look casual. There's sometimes casual is really cute. However, I don't think you need to sacrifice style to be casual. So I'm gonna tell you about the 5 mistakes that I think people make that makes casual outfits just such a bummer. All right, let's get into it. Number 1 is showing your elastic band. Okay, the elastic band is just a prime example of casual. This is the casual piece. You don't have to give it up. I love a good elastic band. I went to Korean barbecue recently. I need to have some space for the all you can eat. I have days where I don't feel like having my waist cinched in. Elastic band is fantastic, but it doesn't need to be shown. If you are wearing an elastic band, make sure it's one on a pair of trousers that are dressed up. These are 100% wool, which makes them a little bit more dressed up, and hide it. I just threw a sweater over it. It's my favorite cashmere sweater. I just threw that over it to hide the elastic band, put on a pair of flats that I can walk around in all day, and I get out the door. Next is spending too much time wearing athletic wear, athleisure. I don't like athleisure. I really do feel like it just downgrades an entire outfit. It just makes it not very cute. And it's uncomfortable and hard to get on. We have put too much power in leggings. Here's a clip of me trying to get leggings on. It's not pretty. It's really uncomfortable. It's so much easier to throw on a very comfortable, breathable dress and go out. If you are gonna be someone who's going to wear really uncomfortable sandals or really chunky tennis shoes and gym wear, you're gonna be looking like you're going to the gym. Why don't you just decide to look like you're about to go shopping and look really chic? You can have a very casual, comfortable outfit without sacrificing that. You shouldn't have to sacrifice your style for comfort. Athleisure is not always the most comfortable thing, and it's a fantastic way to get a yeast infection if you're a woman. So highly recommend trying some athleisure. It's gonna be way better at the gym than it would be out and about. You can totally rock it, just not now. Next is feeling like you have to dress down. So in this exact dress right now I am wearing something that is very, like a little bit more elevated. It's a low wrinkle dress. It's one of my favorite things I own, and I threw it on with a pair of very comfortable flats, and I sometimes swap it for heels. I think right now, today I'm gonna wear them with flats, but often I wear these with a really comfortable pair of heels, and people always feel like you're dressed up, when in reality you're just wearing the one piece. My one piece theory is that you throw one piece on and people think you're instantly dressed up. When in reality, you didn't want to think about it. You wanted to wear something breathable. This is my go-to summer fit to feel really casual and not like you are sacrificing. You don't have to sacrifice the things that make you chic and stylish. Dress it up, be bold, try that trendy thing. Honestly, dresses are like the best comfortable pieces that you could throw on. Next is thinking about your outfits and deciding to limit yourself as exclusively comfortable. I really prioritize comfort. I need to feel good in my clothes. I need to be able to walk. I need to be able to move around a lot. Wearing really uncomfortable shoes, not accessorizing, is definitely the way to just feel like you're settling. So today I'm super excited to be showing you some of my favorite shoes from Vivaia. I've worked with Vivaia before, but I've actually purchased shoes from them out of my own pocket because I really do like their stuff. I am someone who needs to move around a lot. I probably walk 5 miles a day just because if I don't, I get really antsy. And I feel like as I have gotten older, I've decided to really just abandon the really, really uncomfortable shoes. So I'm really excited to be working with them. And something that's really important for me is that they're washable. I, again, have dogs and I get scuffed up shoes all the time. Having a pair of shoes that I can throw into the washer machine are fantastic. I've been wearing their Mary Janes for like a year now and I'm obsessed with them. Vivaia is also great because everything that they use is recycled plastic and it's almost like you're walking on a perpetual yoga mat. They're super comfy and they don't let your feet smell bad. Every single outfit I'm showing you today is showing you a pair of their shoes. These have replaced some of my favorite shoes because they're so comfortable, and now that I have to prioritize comfort and being casual and chic, it is just amazing. Some of their shoes are really easy to style, they're really accessible, but I just love the arch support on these, and they've replaced some of my go-to strappy sandals just because they're so easy to move around in. They're really comfortable. I highly recommend checking them out. All right, let's get back to the video. Next is to add a touch of tailoring, just a touch of tailoring to make your outfits look a little bit more polished. You can do this by putting a blazer on, or you could do this, as I like to do it, as wearing trousers with sandals. This was very inspired by Alexa Chung, but I love the idea of wearing something very casual and very chic, but also having an ounce of polish to it, adding a little bit of something elegant or fancy to it. Adding a touch of tailoring. For me, I have a pair of no wrinkle trousers that I style all the time, and just add that into my wardrobe on a regular basis. I think it is just amazing. All right. Last is wearing too much oversized. Okay. There is a thing about wearing oversized clothing that's super comfortable. I love wearing oversized stuff. I love the oversized fit. However, it is a way to just hide your beautiful figure and to feel like you are settling with an outfit. These are two different t-shirts, both from the same company, and the fit has made all the difference. Wearing kind of a baggier jean that's gonna be a lot more comfortable throughout the day is going to be styled much easier and much better with a t-shirt that actually fits versus one that looks like I stole off of my boyfriend, even though he has fantastic style. If you style an outfit just like this, if you add a more upscale shoe, if you accessorize it, it's gonna be a way better outfit than it would be if you were just to throw on a pair of jeans and a t-shirt that don't really fit well, if that makes sense. Having something really crisp, having something that fits really well, feeling like it's fitted without sacrificing that really breathable, comfortable feeling is something that's gonna be fantastic for you. I really want to thank Vivaia for partnering with me on this video. I have loved their products for the longest time. I love the sustainability aspect of it. I have been so thrilled to be wearing these, and now that I'm wearing suits with sandals, it is a match made in heaven. I am in this process now of prioritizing my physical health and having shoes that will work with me instead of against me. Shoes that will let me walk for days on end if I need to has just made my life so much better. So thank you, Vivaia, and thank you so much for watching.